Hey there, folks. If you're looking to open a PNC Bank account, you're in the right place. PNC is one of the largest banks in the US, offering convenient options for checking, savings, and more. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and stress-free. Let's dive in. First things first, decide on the type of account that suits your needs. PNC has everything from basic checking accounts to high-yield savings. Visit their website or app to compare features. Think about what you need, like ATM access, online banking, or overdraft protection. Next, check the eligibility requirements. You'll generally need to be at least 18 years old and a US resident. PNC might require a minimum opening deposit, which varies by account, so have that in mind. Now, gather your documents. You'll need a valid ID, like a driver's license or passport, your social security number, and proof of address, such as a utility bill. This ensures everything is secure and compliant. When you're ready, you can apply online through the PNC website or mobile app. It's quick and paperless. Just fill out the form with your personal info, select your account, and submit. If you prefer a personal touch, head to a local PNC branch. Their staff can guide you through it. After submitting your application, verify your identity if prompted. This might involve a quick email or text confirmation. Once approved, fund your account by transferring money from another bank or depositing cash. Boom! You're all set. Finally, activate your debit card and start using your new account. Download the PNC app for easy mobile banking, and don't forget to set up alerts for transactions. Opening a PNC account can give you access to great perks like rewards programs and financial tools. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips. Remember, always double-check the latest info on PNC's official site. Happy banking!